Today we're diving into the concept of the fire triangle, something that sounds simple, but is absolutely crucial to understanding how fires start and how we can control them.
Exactly. It's one of those foundational ideas in fire science. So let's start with the basics. The fire triangle consists of three elements, right?
Yep, heat, fuel, and oxygen. All three are needed for a fire to ignite and sustain. Take away one and the fire goes out.
It's like a three-legged stool. If you kick one leg out, the whole thing collapses. Pretty elegant in its simplicity.
I like that analogy. And each component plays its own role. For instance, without heat, you can't raise the material to its ignition temperature.
Right, and heat sources vary. Could be a match, lightning, friction, even spontaneous combustion in some cases.
Fuel is any material that can burn. Wood, paper, gasoline. It needs to be present in a form that's combustible, and often it's something we overlook.
And oxygen, well, we usually have about 21% of it in the air. Fires typically need at least 16% to keep burning. That's why smothering a fire works. It deprives it of oxygen.
Like when you cover a small fire with a fire blanket or put a lid on a burning pan.
Exactly. What's interesting is how the triangle helps us not just understand fires, but fight them. Firefighters use this concept all the time.
For example, using water removes heat. Foam can block oxygen, and fire breaks cut off fuel sources.
It's a constant chess game, figuring out which leg of the triangle you can take out fastest and safest.
And the triangle also plays a role in fire prevention. If you store fuels properly and control ignition sources, you're removing potential legs before the fire even starts.
That's why fire safety protocols are so focused on things like proper storage and electrical inspections.
Have you ever seen how controlled burns are used in forest management? It's a way of removing excess fuel so wildfires can't spread as easily.
Yeah, it's fascinating. It sounds counterintuitive, fighting fire with fire. But when you understand the triangle, it actually makes perfect sense.
And it shows how fire isn't just destructive. It can be a tool if we manage it smartly.
So in the end, the fire triangle isn't just a theory. It's a practical guide. Whether you're preventing, fighting, or even using fire, it all comes back to those three elements.
Heat, fuel, and oxygen. Three simple words, endless implications.
Makes you look at something as everyday as a candle in a whole new light, doesn't it?
Totally. And maybe next time we light a campfire, we'll appreciate the science behind the sparks.
Or at least remember to bring a bucket of water, just in case.